Hello guys, I'm Aishwarya.
I'm honestly.
And guys, advertising is really important in our lives, and we get influenced by it so much that we only buy the product after seeing the ads.
So it's really important for the ad makers to convey the message and everything in 30 seconds.
And
But there are some ads which are so sensual and sexy. They're not even related to the product.
they only sell sex, or they are trying to. So here are the top 5 sensual and sexual acts which made no sense, but they were very sensual.
Okay, so number 5 on the list is Wild Stone Deo. The advertisement scores full marks in terms of sensuality department, and it even shows the man and the woman making love in aesthetic manner.
Yes.
Aesthetic also.
The ad shows a Bengali woman getting turned on by a man after he sprays the deodorant, and the backdrop of puja adds color to the whole advertisement.
लेकिन भाई लोग डिओ लगा के आप ये सब एक्सपेक्ट मत करना कि ये सब होने वाला है.
नहीं तो बंगाली वेडिंग्स पे सब वाइल्ड स्टोन ही लगा के आते ना यार फिर.
Number 4 on the list is Katrina Kaif's commercial for Slice. It became quite famous because her seductive act in the advertisement. The ad is widely known as Arm Sutra.
And the ad shows the pretty actress as she's never been seen before in a very sensual avatar. The way she licks and drinks from her fingertips looks very appealing.
I don't want to add anything else, but it will surely make you feel that बेंजी आपने आम कभी खाए नहीं?
अगर खाया भी तो बेंजी ऐसे नहीं खाते. ऐसे नहीं खाते.
आम को डिस्टर्ब मत करो.
Number 3 on the list is Amul Macho. ये तो बड़ा टॉइंग है. Has been one of the most controversial and suggestive advertisement of Indian television.
It featured a woman who was dressed in a red sari washing her husband's underwear. The woman washes the underwear, fantasizing as if her husband is still wearing it.
Yes.
What a wife.
The suggestive expressions from the women makes it very sexually explicit and vulgar.
And makes you believe that there is no connection with the product and the ad.
Yes.
क्या हो रहा है?
ये बस मन से बना दे, तू ये कर ले आज. Director की fantasies होगी.
Number 2 on the list is Levi's. The hot and hunky Akshay Kumar is dressed in a pair of jeans and showing off his perfect abs.
The female model is all about to seduce him and then unbuttons his jeans.
Well, we all know all the girls went like oohing and eyeing, but that was indeed a steamy ad.
But after that, Akshay Kumar has been seen in a banyan ad, which was not so appealing. So, pura I think nullify ho gaya.
Okay, number 1 on the list. Whenever the ad comes, it's so sexy, so seducing. You know who I'm talking about?
Shakti Kapoor.
No, I'm talking about Sunny Leon, the
Yes.
Man Force condom advertisement.
Yes, the former porn star turned actor Sunny Leon has taken the ad world by a storm by her latest steamy advertisement.
The pretty actress is endorsing Man Force condom, and the ad shows her posing very seductively, showing her cleavage.
Yes.
Coffee pe leti.
In the advertisement, she holds an outfit in one hand and reaches for the grape with another hand.
I mean, apparently the ad was shot in Thailand.
I think she got very inspired from the land, and that's why. Okay guys, I think we should stop now, and this is it from the most sensual advertisements, and we shall see you next time.